Welcome back to our AI learning series. In this video, we will talk about the fundamentals of machine learning. Today, we will explore the basic concepts and different types of machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Machine learning is about teaching computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following a static set of instructions, machine learning algorithms analyze data to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions. Let's see a basic example of machine learning in action using Python. Suppose we have a dataset of house prices and their respective sizes. We want to build a machine learning model that can predict the price of a house based on its size. In this example, we are using the scikit-learn library to implement a simple linear regression model. We provide the model with our dataset of house sizes and prices, of course, and it learns to find the relationship between the two variables. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore the different types of machine learning. Machine learning can be broadly categorized into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm learns from labeled data where each example is associated with a target label. The goal is to learn a mapping from input variables to output variables. Common supervised learning tasks include regression, predicting continuous values, and classification, predicting categorical labels, and supervised learning examples, predicting house prices and classifying emails as spam or not spam. And unsupervised learning. The algorithm learns patterns from unlabeled data. The goal is to explore the structure of the data or find hidden patterns or representations. Common unsupervised learning tasks include clustering, grouping similar data points, and dimensionality reduction, reducing the number of features while preserving important information. Unsupervised learning examples could be customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and last one, reinforcement learning. The algorithm learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. The goal is to learn a policy that maximizes the cumulative reward over time. Reinforcement learning is often used in scenarios where explicit training data is scarce and the agent must learn through trial and error. Let's see. Reinforcement learning examples could be training autonomous agents in games and robotic control. That wraps up our exploration of machine learning basics part 1. We are covered the fundamental concepts and different types of machine learning. In the next video, we will talk about basic algorithm and evaluation metrics. Stay tuned. Bye bye.